You were born to explore, to ask the big questions, chase horizons, and live for the story. But this June, the universe shifts your gaze inward. It's not about chasing more. It's about understanding what matters now. Jupiter, your ruling planet, has just entered Cancer. This moves the expansion from the outside world to your emotional landscape. Suddenly, the questions aren't, where do I go next? But what do I need to feel whole here? This is a month of emotional honesty, not with others, but with yourself. Mars in Leo fuels your hunger for truth and meaning. You may feel pulled to learn, teach, write, or share your perspective. But with this fire comes a challenge. Don't let passion override patience. Some answers take time. Some wisdom grows in silence. Mid-month, Mars squares Uranus, and that may bring unexpected disruption to your routines or health. If something feels off, pause. This is a call to recalibrate, not a crisis, but a correction. You may feel a push to change something drastically, a habit, a job, a dynamic. Do it if it feels aligned, but don't burn it all down just because you're restless. Venus and Mercury in Cancer soften your relationship with intimacy. You're learning that freedom isn't lost when you open your heart, it expands. This month favors emotional depth in relationships. Less adventure, more presence. You might reconnect with someone or uncover a deeper truth in an existing relationship. Let vulnerability be your compass, not a threat. Career-wise, this isn't a time to chase spotlight. It's a time to sharpen your vision. Reflect on where your passion meets your purpose. Make space for long-term ideas, even if they aren't fully formed yet. Financially, caution is wise. Avoid impulsive spending, especially around mid-month. Not everything you want now is something you'll still value later. Creatively, you're on the verge of something powerful. Let your insights simmer. Write them down. Speak them when they're ready. By the end of June, you may not have all the answers, but you'll feel more anchored in what truly matters. This is your invitation, Sagittarius. Let curiosity lead inward. Let depth guide your fire, and trust that presence can be just as powerful as movement. If this felt true for you, stay close. The sky is still unfolding, and you haven't seen everything yet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and check the description. 2 special gifts are waiting for you. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.